Do you like the fact that it is a regular synthetic as opposed to heat friendly? I found the style on clearance at WIGSTUDIO1. I decided to go ahead and make the purchase and review it for myself. There's a lot of polarizing reviews out there on this one. I'm going to tell you why this style is not for me, but you may really love it. So let me first of all start with what I really love about this style. I love wavy styles. I would prefer wavy over straight any day. That's just a personal preference. Now this is one of the points of contention because I have seen some reviews where the wave is just sort of soft and kind of absent. And let me know too if you've already purchased this piece and you've seen a variance in the curl pattern. The other thing that I absolutely adore about this style is the cap. So you have an extended lace front here and a full monofilament top. And then it's open wefted on the sides and the back of the style. All premium features by Gabor, and it fits me very well. I was able to get a good adjustment to fit my petite average circumference, but I did have to cinch it in quite a bit. That tells me that it's more or less pretty average. Right away in the front, it's about 10 inches. And so you can see that just as a forward movement, it kind of hard pressed to the head, around the face, into that 10 inches. And then overall, I'm gonna say 15 to 16 inches overall. You're going to notice a blunt, more or less a blunt line cut all the way around. Very minimal layering on this one. The density is just an average density. It's not overly thick. However, you want to be aware that these regular synthetic fibers are very shiny. So I love the curl and I love the cap. Let's start on things that are problem areas for me. I think we just discussed one when we discussed the cap, and that is this hard steam pressed parting space that is difficult, if not impossible, to change. And it's very flat on top. Okay, you can just see that. It almost gives a fake appearance because it's just so perfect back through there. And again, I feel like that's going to be a little bit harder to ply out of that pattern that it's in. It has a forward movement, a hard press forward movement. That is going to make it more difficult for me to get an up and over style. And with these beautiful lace features, I kind of want to do that, right? I kind of want to have that option of being able to create some lift and contour to expose that beautiful monofilament. It's just going to be very difficult to achieve. This is Sandy Blonde GL1422, and when I order a blonde by Gabor, I like the 1422 SS, which is the soft shades that gives a little bit of a root appearance. I think that would really help out this stark, perfect part right there at the top that kind of gives that plasticky look. It is a combination of some honey blonde and some gold blonde. I feel like this is neutral, leaning warm. I have seen more warm applications of this color than cool. I've never seen a cool application of sandy blonde. So raise your hand if you're a candidate for this style. Do you like that flatter look at the top? Do you like how it is a lower profile and frames the face? Do you like the fact that it is a regular synthetic as opposed to heat friendly? Sometimes you get a little more longevity from a regular synthetic. And let me know too if you've already purchased this piece and you've seen a variance in the curl pattern. I've noticed that with some of the reviews as well. So I'm going to give you just a quick spin inside and outdoor light to get a look at the color. Then I'll do a little bit of styling.